Hey everyone, what if you could scrape any website in just 2 clicks? No code, no complicated setup, just plain English and powerful AI doing the work for you. Tired of copy-pasting data into Excel, opening 20 tabs just to build a lead list? What if your next virtual assistant was actually an AI scraper? Could one tool really pull contact info from LinkedIn, extract tables from PDFs, and even visit sub-pages, all without writing a single line of code? And what if it was trusted by teams at Accenture, Grammarly, and Puma, and already used by over 20,000 people around the world? In today's video, we're diving into Thunderbit, a next-gen AI web scraper that's changing how sales and ops teams collect data. Let's find out if it's really as powerful, fast, and easy as it claims. Ready to see it in action? Let's go! First things first, click on the Add to Chrome button to install the Thunderbit extension. A pop-up will appear, just hit Add Extension, and it'll be added to your Chrome browser in seconds. Once that's done, a new page will open and boom, you'll see that Thunderbit is successfully installed. Now it's time to log in. I'll go ahead and sign up using my Google account. It's quick and easy. Welcome to the Thunderbit dashboard. Clean, simple, and super user-friendly. On the right side, you'll notice features like the web scraper and a bunch of ready-made scraping templates. Let's see it in action. I'm heading over to Amazon.com where there are thousands of products listed, and boom, it starts working. Within seconds, Thunderbit pulls all the product data, price, specs, description, and even more details you might miss manually. Let's pick one. How about this 7-inch Iron Man action figure? On the product page, you can see all the details: title, description, price, weight, color, materials, and more. It's a lot of info, but imagine copying all of that manually. Yeah, not fun. That's where Thunderbit comes in. Just click on the Thunderbit icon in your browser, and before hitting the scrape button, click AI Improve Field. This tells the AI how to understand the structure of the page. Now hit scrape, and boom, it starts working. Within seconds, Thunderbit pulls all the product data, price, specs, description, and even more details you might miss manually. The product name, product URL, which you can easily copy, price, product image, manufacturer details, customer ratings, and even the number of reviews. If you want to use this data somewhere else, you can either copy everything with or without headers. Now let's test it on another product. This time, I'm picking a stylus pen for iPad 6. You can see it's priced at $17 and available in 7-8 colors like blue, black, pink, red, and more. Scrolling down, you'll find more details like the brand, material, number of pieces, and other specs. Just like before, I'll click on the Thunderbit icon, hit AI Improve Field, and then tap Scrape. And again, in just a second, it pulls all the product info, fast, easy, and accurate. Alright, let's take it one step further. This time I'm heading over to LinkedIn.com. Now let's say I want to extract information from this site. I'll click the Thunderbit icon, then tap on AI Improve Field to help it understand the content. And finally hit Scrape. Boom. Thunderbit detects all the key info on the page, like the page title, page URL, available topics, images, and more. So yeah, that's how simple and powerful Thunderbit AI web scraper really is. Whether it's Amazon, LinkedIn, or any other site, this tool gets it done. You'll find the link to the extension in the video description below. That's it for today's video. I hope this walkthrough helped you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.